This video shows how to set up the VIVÖE battery powered PIR sensor. First, slide off the cover, fit the two AAA batteries, and then hold the button down for about 3 seconds until a little red light comes on. In the VIVÖE app, use the plus button in the top right to add new devices, then select your gateway. The PIR sensor should appear in the list of available devices. To use it, set up a scene that gets triggered when motion is detected. To do this, go to Scenes, create a new scene, and when device status changes, choose the sensor and then select Motion. You can then choose what you want to happen. We're going to control a single switch that has a light attached. Give this new automation a name. You can see, now that this automation is set up, that as soon as motion is detected, the light will illuminate.